Get ready to experience a bold new chapter in the world of compact SUVs. The all-new 2026 Dacia Duster has officially arrived, and it's better, bolder, and more exciting than ever. With its rugged charm fully reimagined, the Duster now flaunts a sharper, more dynamic design, featuring a muscular stance, a redesigned Y-shaped LED light signature, and chunky black cladding that screams off-road confidence. From city streets to wild trails, this SUV doesn't just fit in, it stands out with authority and style. The new platform has improved proportions, allowing for a wider grille, slimmer headlights, and a more aerodynamic silhouette, all while maintaining the Duster's adventurous DNA. Under the hood, the 2026 Duster is smarter and stronger. Offering a range of electrified and efficient engine options, it includes a 1.2 turbocharged mild hybrid engine with 130 horsepower and an optional 1.60 full hybrid with up to 140 horsepower, delivering the perfect balance between fuel economy and performance. Step inside, and the surprises keep coming. The 2026 Duster features a completely revamped cabin that blends practicality with a touch of modern luxury. A floating 10.1-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay sits at the heart of the dash, accompanied by a fully digital instrument cluster and intuitive climate controls. Soft touch materials, ergonomic seats, and clever storage solutions enhance comfort, while available options like a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, and ambient lighting elevate the experience even further. Safety hasn't been forgotten either, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking. Dacia has packed this SUV with modern peace of mind. In a market packed with crossovers that all look the same, the new Dacia Duster brings character, capability, and cleverness, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. This isn't just a facelift, it's a full-on revolution for the nameplate, proving once again that the Duster is more than just value, it's a true standout in its class.